Hello students, today I am going to explain Class 9 Poem 2 Wind, written by Subramania Bharti in Tamil language, and later it was translated in English by A.K. Ramanujan. In this poem, the poet very beautifully symbolizes the wind with the problems and obstacles we all face in life. The poem Wind inspires us to face all the hardships in our life with courage. Now let's start the poem. Wind, come softly. Don't break the shutters of the window. Don't scatter the papers. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. In these lines, the poet is talking to the wind. He is requesting the wind to come softly, not to break down the shutters of the window, not to scatter the papers, not to throw down the books from the shelf. There, look what you did. You threw them all down. You tore the pages of the books. You brought rain again. Now here the poet is saying that in spite of his request, the wind has thrown all the books down from the shelf, and he has torn all the pages of the books, and even the wind has brought rain. You are very clever at poking fun at weaklings. Here the poet is telling to the wind that you are very clever at poking fun means making fun of the weaklings. Weakling means weak things. So he is telling that you are very clever at making fun of whatever is weak. Frail crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, crumbling hearts. Frail means weak, crumbling means falling. Now here the poet is saying whatever is weak falls down. Whether it is weak houses, weak doors, weak rafters. Rafters means the beam which supports the roof. That even if it is weak, it will fall down. Then the wood. Wood here means furnitures. That also if it is weak, it will fall down. Weak bodies, weak lives and weak hearts. Whatever is weak, all will fall down. The wind god winnows and crushes them all. He won't do what you tell him. Winnowing is a process when we separate the chaff from the wheat, and here in this poem, in these lines, the poet is comparing the weak things with the chaff. Whatever is weak is going to fall down and break down and will be crushed, and only the stronger things will remain. He won't do what you tell him. He won't do means the wind. He is not going to do what you tell him. So, come let's build strong homes. Let's join the doors firmly. Practice to firm the body. Make the heart steadfast. Do this and the wind will be friends with us. Here the poet is telling us that if you want to be friends with the wind, what you have to do? You have to build strong homes and you have to make your body strong physically and mentally. Only then you can be friends with the wind. The wind blows out weak fires. He makes strong fires roar and flourish. The wind blows out weak fires means whatever is weak will be blown out. And he makes strong fires roar and flourish. Whatever is strong will flourish in life. If you are strong enough to face the challenges in life, you will be even more stronger and you will flourish. Means the wind will be your friend when you are only strong and you will flourish then. His friendship is good. We praise him every day. His here means the wind. The friendship of the wind is very good and we will praise him every day. Why the friendship of the wind is good? Because if we are strong enough to face all the hardships in life, we even become more stronger. We grow day by day. So that's why we are going to praise the wind at that time. The poet gives us an important message that we should be mentally tough and physically strong in order to face all the hardships in life. Now let's come to the poetic device. This poem doesn't have any rhyming words, so it is a free verse. Free verse means it is not having any rhyming words. Next we have anaphora. Anaphora is a repetition of the word in the first 2 or 3 consecutive lines. Now here we are having don't. This don't is repeated here, so that's why it is anaphora. Next we have personification. When we compare the human's quality with something which is non-human, it is known as personification. And here the poet is treating the wind as a human, so it is personification. Next we have repetition. Repetition means repetition of something, and here crumbling is repeated many times to pay emphasis on what the poet wants to convey. Next we have alliteration. Alliteration refers to the repetition of consonant sound. Now here we are having wind and winnows, won't and what. Your v sound is coming and it is a consonant sound, that's why it is known as alliteration. Next is symbolism. Here the poem wind is a symbol of the hardships in our life, the problems and the obstacles in life, that's why it is known as symbolism. I hope you have understood this poem. Thank you very much. Keep watching my channel.